Hi Fauhowers, in this video I'm going to show you how to block a YouTube channel. This tutorial is very useful for you who wants to block a channel and make sure that specific channel content will not appear again on your YouTube home. And also that channel will not able to again to comment to your videos. Okay, for the first, make sure that your phone has been connected to the internet. Once your phone has been connected to the internet, let's go to YouTube app. After opening YouTube app, you can just find the channel you want to block. For example, I want to block Mr. Beast. Just find Mr. Beast. And this is Mr. Beast channel. I want to block Mr. Beast channel. So if I block Mr. Beast YouTube channel, the Mr. Beast content will not appear again on my YouTube home. And Mr. Beast will not able to comment to my videos again. Okay, how to do this? You can see on the top right corner there is 3-dot line menu, and then you can just tap this. You can see there are some options here: share, block user, help, and feedback. If you have been sure to block Mr. Beast channel, just block user. Blocking this user will prevent them from commenting on videos you have uploaded. For additional, the Mr. Beast content will not appear again on your YouTube home. If you have been sure to block Mr. Beast channel, just click block. Okay, user has been blocked. After blocking Mr. Beast channel, the first Mr. Beast content will not appear again on your YouTube homepage, and the second is Mr. Beast will not able to comment to your videos again. Thank you. I hope this video is very useful for you and helping you in blocking a YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to Fauhow and make sure that you have turned on notifications so that you will be the first person I notify when I upload the latest video about social media tutorial. Thank you.